Bureau of Motor Vehicles, 45 CO11302 MI19.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. This Louis appears with counsel.
And who's here for state?
Christina Clark on behalf of the Bureau of Motor Vehicles.
Okay.
On behalf of the prosecutor's office.
All right. And we're here on, motion to set aside then we're here on?
Judge, if I may, I originally filed a petition for a probationary restricted license on February 8th.
Right.
The Bureau of Motor Vehicles intervened through the Attorney General's office and filed a
Objection?
correct. And I noted in their objection that they admit that they're not a party to the suit or to this petition. They're just here as record keepers. So I'd ask the court to allow me to proceed as on my petition.
To clarify, Your Honor, I'm Christina Clark on behalf of the Bureau of Motor Vehicles. We were actually named as a party in this petition. Under the statute 924-15-4D2, the BMV is not supposed to be a party to these hardship petitions. However, we are an interested party, given that the court is ordering the BMV to either grant a hardship license or not, so that we feel we have a significant interest in conforming to the law, and so we felt it necessary to appear today.
Okay. All right, we ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. I call on my first witness, Sharika Bowie.
Can you please raise your right hand, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Have a seat.
Ms. Bowie, please state your name and spell your first name for the record.
Sharika Bowie, capital SHAREEKA.
And how old are you?
24.
And when did you get your driver's license?
When did I?
Exact year of the how old were you?
18.
And do you have a job currently?
Yes, I have 2 jobs.
What's your primary job?
I work at Boston Market in Illinois, and I work at the nursing home at Town Center.
Okay, Sam, you said nursing home in where?
And Boston Market.
Okay, where's the nursing home at?
On 73rd. I don't actually know the address.
Is that in the state of Illinois, though?
No, in Indiana.
In Indiana, okay. But the Boston Market is in Illinois.
In Illinois, yes.
Is there a public transportation from your house to Boston Mall? Like when you catch the bus there?
Oh, no.
And you live in the city area, Indiana?
Yes.
According to your petition on about April 17th of 2012, the license was suspended. Is that right?
Yes.
Do you know why?
No insurance.
Okay. And was that inadvertent, or why did you not have insurance?
I just didn't have no insurance at the time.
Okay. And are you, do you have insurance now?
Yes.
And in fact, you just provided it to me today?
Yes.
Verify it, May 1st.
Petitioner's one.
We have you what's been marked as petitioner's exhibit 1. Can you identify it?
Yes.
What is it?
Insurance for my car.
Okay, what kind of car do you have?
A Grand Am Pontiac 1999.
And what's the effective date of your insurance?
March 5th, 2013.
And expiration of any?
Next month.
And you pay for this insurance?
Yes.
I'll move to admit.
Any objections?
Could I see it one more time?
Yes. None?
No objection.
So you said you own a 1999 Pontiac,
Right now, yes.
and how long have you owned that car?
April of last 2011, I believe.
Okay.
My first.
And the request for this hardship license is that it's a hardship for you to get to and from work without a license.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any dependents? Children?
Yes, I have a son.
Okay. And you're his primary custodial parent?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so this is
Cross-examination?
Ms. Bowie, was that insurance valid today?
Yes.
Are you sure it's not valid beginning tomorrow?
I believe it's today.
Did you drive here today?
No.
And has your license ever been suspended before?
No. Actually, it's first time we got suspended. Since I've been 18, I have the first time we got suspended.
So if I told you that your BMV record shows 9 suspensions, you would disagree with that?
Oh, no. I thought you was asking, like, having been suspended before, and I had asked for a hard drive license before.
This is your first hardship license request?
Yes. Yes.
But your license has been suspended before?
Well, yes.
And it has been suspended 9 times?
Yes, for, like, no insurance. Yes.
For suspensions including a no insurance accident, is that correct?
Yes.
And a failure to appear for your defensive driving class?
I did that online. Yes.
The state has no further questions, Your Honor.
just a brief rebuttal. Ms. Bowie, is in fact the accident, no insurance, the only reason why your driver's license is suspended?
Yes.
You haven't had any drunk driving cases, have you?
Oh, no.
No reckless driving cases?
No.
Nothing further.
Pete, anything else?
Christine Park on behalf of the BMV. Ms. Bowie, is it Bowie? Was your license suspended for failure to appear for a driver safety program on April 3rd, 2012?
Not that I'm sure of, because I did that online.
Okay. Well, it would represent to you that your driving record says that your license was suspended April 3rd, 2012. Are you not aware of that?
I'm not aware of that. No.
Okay. What about on March 20th, 2012, you were suspended for failure to file insurance? Is that true?
I really can't recall the dates, but I know it had been for not no insurance, yes.
Okay. What about on April 17th, 2012? Was your license suspended for failure to file insurance?
Yes.
Okay. What about on April 17th, 2012? Was your license suspended for a repeat insurance violation?
Yes.
Okay. What about on May 24th, 2012? Was your license suspended for a bureau-imposed case?
Oh, yes.
Okay. What about on August 28th, 2012? Was your license suspended for driving while suspended in Lake Superior?
Yes.
Okay. What about on October 9th, 2012? Was your license suspended for failure to file insurance?
Yes.
Okay. What about on December 29th, 2012? Was your license suspended for a no insurance accident case?
Yes.
Okay. What about on December 29th, 2012? Was your license suspended for a repeat insurance violation?
Yes.
Okay. So you are aware that you have prior suspensions of your license?
Yes. On insurance. No insurance, yes.
No further questions.
Your Honor, it just appears that under 924-15-183, this defendant is not eligible for a license
Because of the prior
because of the
suspension.
repeated suspension.
You can step down. Do you have anything else for this lady?
No.
State, is there anything else?
Nothing further.
Your Honor, there is a statute that deals with no insurance. Pointing out to the state that apply, I believe, under the IC 9/2415-6.7. It says that if a petitioner whose driving license or permit is suspended under IC 9/13-6, except that if the petitioner proves to the satisfaction of the court that public transportation is not available for travel, then the petitioner may grant a restricted license to come work. This petitioner works in Illinois, and transportation does not travel across state lines, and then we do have insurance at this point. I believe that under that exception, this would qualify.
State?
The BMV would argue that under Indiana Code 924-1543, Ms. Cooley does not qualify since she has prior suspensions. And the statute that counsel points to would apply if she didn't meet any of the exceptions in Section A, but she does. So
What are those exceptions?
the exceptions are the petition for the hardship license is not approved unless the petitioner hasn't had their
License suspended.
You know, that's not how the statute reads. I have it here.
Let me see. All right, this is, he's referring to 924-15-6.7. What are you referring to?
924-15-4A3.
That should be the first page of that.
I have a copy if you need it. The BMV has also outlined their objection in response to the
Yeah,
court. And I just want to clarify for the court's purposes that the BMV, according to the statute, to this section, should not be named as a party to a petition for a hardship license. The proper party is the prosecutor's office.
Number 3 says a petition has been suspended. 4. And then when you cite, how do you reconcile a conflict between the two statutes?
Me?
Yes.
If they're driving privileges, in my reading of the statute, under 924-15-16.7, if all of those conditions are present, the petition for a hardship license may be granted. However, under 924-15-4, if you fit any of the exceptions under A, you're not entitled to a hardship license.
All right, if that was the case, then the General Assembly would have just put it all under the same statute. The fact that there are separate statutes, I believe that there are other justifications for why a restricted license should be granted.
Well, I believe that I believe 6.7 is if you meet the requirements of 4, then 6.7 is how it's issued, or what is issued. I think that's what 6.7 is for. But I don't see why they would say you can't have one in one, and then in the next one. I don't think that's what the general, I mean, I've granted them, I'll tell you, Council, I've granted them, and state won't issue them under these conditions if there's prior suspension.
Yeah, I'd like an opportunity to brief this issue.
If you wish, if you want to research it on, I can set this over. If you want to give me some case law. Okay?
Thank you.
And you can have your statute back. We'll reset this.
Your Honor, is it possible that it be recaptioned to where the prosecutor is named and not the BMD?
Right. Yeah, why don't you
Set this for another hearing.
amend your pleadings to you want the state dismissed, BMD dismissed out?
Well, the BMD is an interested party, so we're in this interesting position where we have, essentially you're ordering us to do something. So the statute says the legislator wanted the prosecutor named as the party. What happens is if we get an adverse order or an order that we don't think complies with the BMD, then we move to intervene and correct the error.
All right, why don't you go that way, counsel? I guess
So I'm amending the pleadings to mean that you say that
just the prosecuting attorney. Then if the state wants to intervene, the BMD wants to intervene.
Thank you.
All right?
Next court date.
You
You want to set a date to file?
want him to file his pleadings, Judge, or you want to give him a date now?
How much time do you want to do your pleadings?
I can have a week, Judge.
30 days? We set it for Tuesday after 30 days.
Tuesday?
Well, that's when I do the hardship.